to ensure that our IT team is meeting the compliance needs of the business. So the amount of businesses I talk to, and we find that IT and what the business are doing are out of sync. People are always fighting with their laptops. It's always doing an update at the wrong time. They always have to reset their passwords, or it's always a slow connection to the main line of business system, wherever that's hosted. Myriad of problems. So we've got that situation there where the IT thinks they're making perhaps things secure, or they're putting things in place that they think meet those needs, but it's not hitting what the business needs, and there's got to be that synergy. So the first key, there's some key questions really. If we're looking at, is our IT fit for purpose? Is it meeting the needs of the business, those compliant needs? First up, as I said, are the business and the technology aligned? Are they working together? From that, what are the compliance demands on the business? So what does the business want to be doing? Do you want to be achieving certain ISO standards? Do you need to achieve things such as PCI DSS or any number of other compliance standards? Do your customers demand certain controls from you and certain levels? There's all of that to consider, and again, that needs to be, what does the business need then? From that, you can then look at what are the obvious business process controls. What's not a technical control, it's not an IT, but it's that business process. How does the business function? So then that exposes what technical controls we can implement, and that could be around our cloud environments, or equally around our devices, our user identity, our passwords, our logins, and also our data and how it's used. So if I email a spreadsheet, is that spreadsheet appropriate to be shared in that way? What happens to it when it leaves the organization? Do I want that data to only go to the recipient? Do I lose control of that when it's left my organization? There are technical controls that can help on that. So it's all these things. So then we can look at how can we use the technology to help us, as I say, meet the needs. So we need to share information in an appropriate manner. How do we do it in a secure way, though, so that security is met, but also the business isn't blocked from sharing what legitimately needs to share? So, as I say, from there, where then can IT innovate and ease compliance? And there's a few more topics in a bit deeper dive. We'll come to it later on.